What's up, guys? So like I promised, I'm gonna be doing the installation video on this clock. We're gonna be replacing the old LS clock with the ITR amber red clock. So we're gonna do that swap right now. It's fairly easy. So just put this aside for the moment and let's just take this off. So the clock itself is held in there by two retainer springs, which you probably saw if you watched my unboxing video of this clock here. So all we have to do is just pry it open. Of course, you need the right tool, something that doesn't damage the materials around it or even the clock itself. So I got this little wedge thing here. I got an AutoZone, so I'm gonna just, you know, stick it inside and then just pry it afterwards. So let's see how that goes. And it's that easy. Oops. Let's see. There you go. And there it is. And it's out, just like so. So you can tell this is old. It has the retainer springs, didn't break anything, didn't have to force this out or anything. So we're just gonna remove this pigtail, just like that. And just focus on this. So technically, this is the old one, which looks pretty fresh. It's like in really good condition. So probably gonna sell this. Let's open the old one here, or the new one, the Integra Type R version. Let's remove this old pigtail. Let's see. There you go. These things are always hard to get off, but alright, so everything seems to be in order. This is the ITR one. And let's just go ahead and plug it back, plug it in. There you go. Now, all I have to see is before I install everything and see if it works. And there you go. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. Yeah, you guys can't see it. Let me see. What if I zoom in? Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, guys. Forgot about the music. Yeah, I don't think you guys could see it, but anyways, it's working. Let's just see if that one of this works, if I can adjust the time. So it's 4:50.
Now it's probably going to take forever because it was at 0 and I have to go to 50. But it seems to be working. Now I'm just going to wait until this goes all the way up. Come on, come on. I wish it was like something to make it go faster. Oh, there it is. Editing. And 50.
Alright. Everything seems to be in order and it's working fine. So everything adjusted fine. Time is on fine and everything. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it back in. Go ahead and install it. Make sure all this is connected. Make sure the wiring gets in there, and then you just do the reversal of the install. Yeah, there you go, guys. There is the install. That was fairly easy. Usually installs don't go at this smoothly for me. There's something that goes wrong, but I took out the old LS one, put in the amber one, and I'm gonna give you guys some night shots after this so you guys can see how it looks. I feel like the interior is going to be more complete with all red lights. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will be making more videos because I recently got inspired to work on my car, and I'm enjoying it. So I bought a bunch of new parts, which I'm going to be doing unboxings, then installation videos. So stay tuned, guys. Have a nice one.